Hi everyone, welcome to AWSKubeStack channel. Today we are driving into one of the most essential AWS service, the AWS instance. By the end of this video, you will know how exactly you launch EC2 instance in AWS. Let's jump right away. Hope you have the AWS account. If not, go ahead and sign up for AWS account. So once you log in, let's switch to Mumbai region. I think I'm already in the Mumbai region. Okay, click on search EC2 in the search bar. You will get an option. Okay, so click on here. You see launch instance. You click on launch instance. Select the server. I'll just select Ravi demo. Okay, select the Amazon AMI. So basically this is the image from there the server will be built. So this is a free tier image, so select the latest one. Okay, then let's go to instance type T2. You select T2.micro. This is a free tier instance where you get 1 CPU and 1 GB memory. Use login key pair. This is basically a private key to connect to server, so I already created it. I can use it. If you want to, just go ahead and create it and download and save it to your locker. This is very important key. If you lost the key, you will not be able to connect to the server. So I already have the key. I'll just select this network setting. So if you don't have any VPC, so you just go ahead with the default, but I already created dedicated VPC already, so I'll select Ravi VPC. I'll create a subnet. I'll make a public IPs enabled so that I can connect from my laptop. Security group, you go ahead and create it, or if you want already have, you just go ahead and select the existing one. I already have it. I'll select it. Basically what security group does is it will allow, so basically which ports are open so that you can communicate to the server. Basically to connect to the server we need SSH port number 22 should be open. So probably I'll show you that when the instance gets created, and you just go ahead with the default things. Just launch instance. It may take a minute. Let's wait for it. You click here. Yes, it's creating. Okay, if you click on here, now come to security tab. Okay, this is the security group I choose, right? So if you click on here, right, there is inbound and outbound, right? So basically inbound rules. In the inbound rules, basically what it does is what all ports are open. Okay, so since I need only HTTP, so to connect to the server we need HTTP port, SSH port. Okay, this is a port number 22 that's open, and I selected connect from anywhere. 0.0.0 is connect from anywhere. Okay, now let's go back to EC2 instance. Click here, the EC2 is up and running. You take the public IP, then open a tab. Okay, so this is a key. I have it already. Where is my key? Yeah, this is my key. So I use this key to connect. SSH-I Ravi default user is EC2 user @ public IP. If you hit it, yes, you finally log into the server. If you check the host name, you'll be seeing this host name. You just go to UI and just double check the host name, so you are logged into the right host or not. Yeah, that's how you need to create EC2 instance. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment box. Thank you so much.